Nobody told us this would happen. Nobody told us that you could get the degree, work the long hours, be loyal, become the high performer, and still find yourself wondering what happens if this job disappears. Many women follow the exact blueprint they were given: get educated, work hard, stay committed, climb the ladder. And for a long time, that advice worked. But something has changed. Today, I want to talk about the uncomfortable reality many professional women are starting to feel. The career promise we were sold is breaking. And if you feel it too, you're not imagining it. If we haven't met, my name is Catherine, coach and business strategist. I help women uncover their zone of genius and build income streams based on their skills, their expertise, and the life experience that they have so that they would have more options, more confidence, and more control over their future. Because what we are seeing in today's job market isn't temporary, it's a shift. And ignoring it won't make it go away. But before you assume this video is about fear, it's not. It's about seeing reality clearly enough to make smart decisions before you're forced to make desperate ones. Many women were taught that security came from employment, a stable company, a good salary, benefits, retirement plans, promotions. And for years, that felt true. But today, companies restructure routinely, departments disappear, budgets change, leadership changes, entire roles become unnecessary almost overnight. It's a shift, and ignoring it won't make it go away. But before you assume this video is about fear, it's not. It's about seeing reality clearly enough to make smart decisions before you're forced to make desperate ones. Many women were taught that security came from employment, a stable company, a good salary, benefits, retirement plans, promotions. And for years, that felt true. But today, companies restructure routinely, departments disappear, budgets change, leadership changes, entire roles become unnecessary almost overnight. The difficult truth is this: the promise used to be, if you're valuable, you're protected. Today, the reality is often, if the numbers change, everyone becomes vulnerable. And that's a hard realization. Not because you're doing anything wrong, but because the rules change. This is the part many women struggle with emotionally. Because loyalty matters to us. We stay late, we solve problems, we support our teams, we go above and beyond. But many women are realizing something painful. Loyalty can make you valuable, but loyalty alone does not make you safe. We've all seen it. People with 10 years, 15 years, 20 years gone after one restructuring announcement, not because they failed, not because they weren't talented, because the business made a business decision. And if hearing that makes you uncomfortable, good. Because discomfort often shows us where we've been avoiding reality. This conversation isn't really about jobs, it's about identity. For many women, our career became proof that we were successful, capable, responsible, independent. So when uncertainty enters the picture, it feels personal. But here's what I want you to hear: You are more valuable than your job title. You are more valuable than your employer's opinion of you. You are more valuable than your LinkedIn headline. Your skills belong to you. Your knowledge belongs to you. Your experience belongs to you. The question is, have you built anything that allows those assets to work for you? The biggest risk today isn't starting a business. The biggest risk is depending on one source of income in a world that keeps changing faster every year. Think about that. Many women insure their homes, insure their cars, insure their health, but they leave 100% of their income dependent on one employer. That's not security. That's concentration risk. And here's where most people get this wrong. When I talk about building a business, they immediately assume I'm telling them to quit their job. I'm not. Building a business does not mean walking away from your paycheck. It means creating options. It means taking the knowledge you've accumulated over decades and asking, how could this create value outside my employer? Maybe it's coaching. Maybe it's consulting. Maybe it's training. Maybe it's digital products. Maybe it's teaching. Maybe it's helping people solve a problem you've already solved yourself. The goal isn't replacing your job tomorrow. The goal is building something before you need it. Because opportunities created from strength look very different than opportunities created from panic. One of the biggest mistakes women make is assuming they have nothing special to offer. But often that zone of genius is hiding in plain sight. The things they do naturally, the problems people constantly ask them to solve, the experiences they've lived through, the knowledge they've accumulated over years. Sometimes the foundation of a business isn't hidden. It's simply been overlooked because it comes so naturally to you. And this is the question I want to leave with you. If your job disappeared tomorrow, what would you build from the skills, the wisdom, and experiences you've already possessed? If that question feels difficult to answer, you're exactly who I created my guide for. I created a free guide called Tap into Your Zone of Genius and Monetize It. Inside the guide is a powerful prompt designed to help you uncover something many women have never stopped long enough to identify. What could actually become the foundation of a business? The prompt asks thought-provoking questions about your skills, your strengths, your experiences, your expertise, and your natural abilities. Questions that help you see value in yourself that may have been hiding in plain sight for years. If you've ever thought, I know I should create another stream of income, but I don't know what I could do, start there. The link is in the description below. And if this message resonated with you, leave a comment and tell me what part of today's job market concerns you the most. I do read the comments. And share this video with another woman who may need this conversation right now. I thank you for stopping by to watch this video. Do subscribe and come back, as I will have other videos to help women look at their value in the skills and expertise that they have, and to gain the confidence to move forward so that you will not be caught off guard without income in the event of a layoff. And if your goal is to pivot out of the job or the career that you're in, to learn how to do that. So I hope to see you in the next video.